How to check what card is on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and go to Wallet. You are now in the Wallet and Apple Pay settings page. Go to the Payment Card section and tap on Add Card. The Add Card function is used to add new credit, debit, and prepaid cards to your device for use with Apple Pay. This initiates a process where you can scan your card with a camera or enter the details manually, then follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and add the card for use with Apple Pay. After that, go to Autofill Cards below. You can also view your cards from here. Following these steps, you can easily check what card is on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.